our topic. All right, here we go. Let me find it first. Okay. Here. There. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
All right. So let's go back to where we stopped, and that is there in the vocabulary. All right. It's vocabulary. So here. This one is again, have dinner. Dinner is a kind of, yeah, you know already dinner? Do you know what is dinner? You know?
No.
Oh, no. Oh, it's eating time, but it is done at night. Okay? If you eat at night together with your family, then you are doing dinner with your family. All right? But if you will eat together with your family in the morning, like 6 p.m.,
Yes.
6 a.m., 7 a.m., then that is breakfast. But if it's 11 a.m. and then 12 a.m., then that is 12 p.m., then that is lunchtime. All right, next. We have here play with dolls. You know what is dolls? You know what's dolls? Doll, like this. Look at this one. This one is an example of
No.
a doll. Yeah, doll. Dolls are usually played by girls, not by boys. Only girls. All right, next. We also have here, complete the question with who, what, and where. Okay. If we use the word who, we are asking about the person. You will say, who is in the house? Meaning, you are asking who is living or who is inside the house. It is about a person. You're asking of a person. But if you will use what, like WHAT, what, then that is you are asking about things. All right? Things. Understand, Huy? Hello, Huy? You understand me?
Yes.
Yes. But if you will ask where is the place? Meaning, if you use where, you are talking about place. Where do you live? Where are you now? Like that. You'll say, I'm in my house. I live in Vietnam. So that is an example of question using who, if it's a person, what, if it's about things, and where, if it is about place. Okay, next. All right, what, who, and where. So look at the picture. Okay, so here, blank this. The answer is Tony. What will you use? Blanks this and Tony. What, who, or where? What will you use? The answer is a name of a person. Who? Right. Very good. Who? How about this one? What's this? What's this? Okay. Oh, no. What? Yeah. What? If you are referring to a thing, what could be the answer there? If you are asked, what's this? Ah? What is the line pointing at? Is not that clear?
A head. Hat. Head. Head.
Okay, it's a camera because the line is not pointing clearly. So this line is pointing to the camera. What's this? The answer is a camera. You will use what because you are asking about a thing. Okay? Now, where's the camera? Where is the camera now? Where's the camera? In Tony's? What's the answer in number 3?
In Tony hand.
In Tony's hand. Good. Very good. So again, who for a person, what is for a thing, and where if it's about place. Right. Next. Oh, complete the question again with what, who, and where. Look at this one. Please read number 1.
Who is
Who's this? Who's this? What is the answer? Again?
Alex?
Alex. Let's try to check. All right. This is Alex. Next, question number 2. Please read number 2.
What she got in her hand?
What's she got in her hand? What's in her hand?
A flower. A flower.
Okay, a flower. Very good. Next, how about number 3? How about number 3?
Where the shell?
Oh, where's the shell? Again, where's the shell? Go. Please read number 3.
Where's the shell?
All right. So your answer is on her. Look at this one. Where's the shell now?
On her back.
On her. Oh, why it's hand? Oh, it should be bag. Okay. So where's the shell? It should be on her bag, not the hand, because Alex is not holding the shell. The shell is in the bag. You are right. Okay, next. Here. Question at word spelling. Here. Look at this one. Who, again, ask about the person. Okay? Who, if you ask about the person. What, if we ask about a thing. And, all right, this one. What that hat? First here, question. What's he doing? What is he doing? Look at there. What do you think is he doing? Look at the boy in the picture.
I don't know.
You don't know. Look at what animal is this? Look at that one.
Crocodile.
A crocodile. Oh, maybe he is training the crocodile to how to follow her. Look at to follow him. Look at that one. The crocodile is not biting him, right? So maybe this boy and this crocodile are friends, but the boy here is teaching the crocodile on tricks that he must follow. So that is what the boy is doing. Next. We have here where. Where ask about a place. Okay. Where's the crocodile? Here or there? Where is the crocodile? Here or there?
Here.
Here. Yes, you will use here because the boy is together with the crocodile. It's not far from the boy. All right, next. Very good. Take note. Who's this? What's that? And this is, and this are. Okay, listen here. So if you use again who's this, meaning you are asking about a name of a person or a person. What's that? Means you are asking about the thing that is far from you. Why it's far from you? Because there is the word that. That. You are pointing something, that. But if you use what's this, meaning you are holding it. You will use this if you are holding. You will use that if the thing is far from you. Understand, Hoy?
Yes.
All right. Next, we have here, what is the difference between this is and these are? Look at this is. What is this is? Do you know? This is?
Yeah.
Oh, what is this is?
I don't know.
All right. So this is and this are two different things. They are opposite. All right. Opposite, not the same. So you will use this is if you hold the thing that is only one. Only one. All right. You will use say, this is my phone. This is my pen. This is my notebook. You will use this is because it's only one. But if you use the word these are, okay? Look at this one. I have here two gifts. Look at these gifts. What am I going to use? This is or these are?
They are.
These are not they are. These are again.
These are.
All right, you will use these are because I have two. Okay, so if it's two or many, you will use these are. If it's only one, then you will use this is. Understand? Now,
Yes.
yes. Now next, we have here write where or who in the sentence. So I have here incomplete question and tell me if I'm going to use where or who. Again, where if it's about things and who if it's about person. Look at number one. Blank is angry. The answer is the mother. What are we going to use now? Where or who? Number one, blank is angry. And your answer is the mother. Okay, the mother is angry. So what is your question here? Where? Who? Yes, let's try to check.
Get it.
Ah, okay. Who? Yes, the answer is who because you are asking about the person who is angry. Is this mother or this children here or the friends? Next, blank are the kids. The answer is in Sue's bedroom. What is the answer? Where or who? Number two.
Mm, who?
Okay, number two. Who are the girls? The answer is in Sue's bedroom. Are you sure the question
No.
is who? Come on. How
Where?
about where? Of course, you will use the word where because the answer is in Sue's bedroom. And bedroom is a name of a place. Again, if it's a name of a place, then you will use where. All right, next. How about question number 3? Can you please read number 3?
The are the clothes on the floor.
What is the answer? Where or who?
Where or who?
What is that? What are we gonna put here? Where or who?
Where or who?
The answer is on the floor. What?
Where?
Where? Oh, so you will say, where are the clothes? The answer is on the floor. Very good. Now, number 4. Please answer number 4.
Is play with the girl. What?
So, what are you going to use now? Who or where?
Who?
Who? So, who's playing with a doll? The answer is the girls. Now, could you please read to me the question and then tell me the answer? Come on. Number 1.
Who is hungry?
The answer?
The mom.
See the mom. It's the mother. Okay, number 2. Go. Number 2. Please read number 2. Go.
Who? Where are the girls? It's Sue's bedroom.
In Sue's bedroom. Next, how about number 3? Please read number 3. Number 3. Where?
Where are the clothes?
Where are the clothes? The answer is?
On the floor.
On the floor. Good. How about number 4? How about number 4? Go.
Whose pen play with? Who is playing with a doll?
Oh, the answer?
The girl.
The girls. All right. So these girls are friends. Look at there. These are friends. So their names are Anne and Sue. Look at there. Look at the picture. Are the girls happy? What do you think? Are they happy?
No.
No, they are not happy. Why you said no? Why it's a no? Why it's a no? Because?
A girl.
Oh, you said, I ask you, are the girls happy? Are these 2 girls here happy? You said no. Why it's a no?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Now your answer is yes. Okay, can you tell me why it's a yes? Because?
Play doll.
Because they are playing dolls. Yes, maybe that's the reason why they are happy, because both of them are busy with their dolls. Anne has a doll. Sue has also a doll. Next. And this is Sue's mom. Is she happy? What do you think? Is the mom of Sue happy?
No.
No. Why it's a no, Huy?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. Look at the face of Sue's mother. The face of Sue's mother is angry like that. Why? Maybe because look at the bedroom. It's so messy. Everything are not in order. They are placed anywhere. Look at the socks, the shirt, the toys are everywhere, the books are everywhere. That's why the mother get angry. Understand? Yes? Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay, next. Write one word answers. All right, here we go. So, here. You will use where's and where are. Again, if you use the word where's, meaning you're asking of one thing. If you ask about the question where are, you are asking for many things. Now, number 5. Where are the clothes now? Look at there. Where are the clothes? The answer is?
The bed.
Under the bed. Good. How about number 6? Where are the books now?
In the board.
In the what? What's this?
Board.
In the cupboard. Okay, so the answer is in the cupboard. So this is a cupboard board. Okay, this one. Okay, number 7. Look at here. Who's sitting on the bed? Okay, who's sitting on the bed?
The girl.
The girls. Okay. So, the girls. Next, who's opening the cupboard? Look at the picture. Who's opening the cupboard?
Oh,
The
the mom.
The woman or the mother. Very good. Next, we have here question about you. So I will ask you questions. So it is your personal answers. First question. Please read number 1.
What do you watch on TV?
What do you watch on TV? What do you watch on TV? What do you watch on TV? Minecraft?
Yes.
You play Minecraft? Yes?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Next, who watches TV with you? Who watches TV with you?
Doraemon.
Huh? Who's together with you
Doraemon.
huh? What is it?
Doraemon.
Doraemon. Who watches TV with you? Who's together with you while you watch Minecraft? It's your? Is it your mom, your dad, your grandma?
A family.
Yeah, the family. All right. Next, where is the television in your house? Where? I'm asking about the place. Where is the television in your house? Where can you find it? In the living room. Good. Next question. What do you have for dinner? What do you have for dinner?
Egg.
Egg. What else?
Rice.
Rice.
Duck.
Oh, so that is your dinner tonight? That was your dinner tonight? What? Your egg,
Yes.
rice? Yes. Next. Who has dinner with you? Who are you with when you eat dinner? Who's together with you when you eat dinner? You eat together with your? All right. Wow. Always with family. Next.
Family.
Yes. Where do you have dinner? It's a place again. Where did you have your dinner? Where did you eat your
Living
dinner?
room.
In the living room, not in the kitchen?
No.
Oh, so in the living room. Next. What games do you play? What games do you play?
Minecraft.
Minecraft! Wow, a Minecraft player, boy. Next. You also? Is that your friend or your... Who's that? Together with you now.
And Pokemon.
All right, next. Who do you play with at school? Who do you play with at school?
I don't know.
You don't have friends in school? You don't have classmates? Who do you play with?
Children.
Children. Yes, there's a lot of children in school. So every time you go to school, if you have free time, you will play with your classmates and schoolmates. Next, where do you play in school? Okay, where do you play in school? What place in school do you play?
I don't know.
Does your school has playground?
No.
No. Do you play inside the classroom?
Just
Oh, so where do you play in your school? You will say inside the classroom. Okay?
Yes.
All right, next. We have here read, listen, and draw. All right. Oh. Wait. Okay, look at this one. What's this? The one that I encircled. What's that? You know what is this?
Bed.
It's a bed. What color is it? What color?
Purple.
Okay, it is purple. Next. This one. Okay, what are these?
Sure.
Oh, so these are, you will say, these are pictures. You will say,
The are picture.
these. You say, these are. Again,
The are.
these are.
The are.
This. There's S. These.
This.
Yes, these are pictures. Again, you will say, these are pictures. So,
The are picture.
all right, next. What's in the picture? What's in the picture? Look at the picture. What's in there?
I don't know.
Look at this one. I think this is a fairy. And this one? What is that?
Oh. Bear and
A
flower.
bear. All right. And this one? How about this?
Butterfly.
A butterfly. Yes. Next. Look at this one. What's this? The one encircled? You will say?
A mat.
Ah, that is a mat. Again? That is?
That is a mat.
Okay. What color is it?
A mat.
What color is it?
It's
It is
pink
color.
and purple.
Okay. So its color are pink and
purple.
Right. Next. Okay. Now listen to a boy. His name is Tony. Tony's talking about his room. So I have here something for you to listen. Okay. Okay. Can you hear it? Did you hear it? Wait. Did you hear it? Wait. Is there a computer sound? Nothing? Wait.
No.
Oh, wait. Okay, there you go. Again.
With F. 35F. What, who, and where? Listen and draw.
Monsters. Monsters. I love monsters. My monster lamp, my monster mat, the monster on my bed, the monsters in my toy box, and the monsters on my wall. Monsters. Monsters. I love them all.
Okay, so that was a short story about Tony. So, what does Tony love? He loves? What does he love?
He loves monster.
He loves monsters. So, does Tony have lots of monsters? Does Tony have lots of monsters? Yes or no?
Master.
Does Tony? Yep. He has a lot of monsters. Now, where are the monsters? Where are the monsters of Tony? Can you tell me? Tony's monsters. Where can you find? Okay, can you tell me where are the monsters of Tony? Where can we find it? In the
Monster ở đâu?
In the lamp.
in the lamp, mat. What else?
Bed.
Bed.
Toy box.
In the toy box.
Toy box.
And
Wall.
wall. Very good. So in the story, there are 5 monsters. The first one is in the lamp, second in the mat, third on the bed, fourth in the toy box, and the fifth is on the wall. Very good, Hoy. All right. So I will not, that would be all for today. I will not give, listen to the teacher. I will not give homework, okay? No homework for today, all right? Okay? So, thank you for listening to me. Did you learn? So, what are, listen. Where do we use the word who again? Who? Who? We use who in a person, a place, or a thing. Who? Where do we use who? If you ask for a person,
Who is he?
why use who is he? No, tell me. If we ask about who is it? Are we, listen, are we asking for person, place, or thing? Who refers to a person, place, or thing?
Who?
Again? Wait.
Who?
Wait, okay, I will write it here. All right. Here, look at teacher. Here, if we will ask who, are we asking for a person or a place? Who? I will write, okay, wait. I will write.
Who is he?
Oh, so he is a person or a place? He. Is it a person like a man and woman? Who? Yes or no?
Who is he?
Okay, here, listen again. Before I end, I will make it clear to you. Where, if it is about place and what if we talk about place? Oh, sorry, wrong spelling. Place. Oh, there you go. Look at me. Look at the screen. Look at the screen. We use who if we ask about a person. Okay? A man or a woman or children. All right. You will use where if you ask about a place. Place. Understand? Where if it's about place. What if it's about things like cell phones, laptop, lights, things. But place like park, like house, like country, like living room, bedroom, kitchen, that is a place. So you will use where. Get it? Where. Where if it's a place. Who if it's a person. They say, who is with you? Can you tell me who's with you? Who is with you, Hoy? Your mother. Your? Again? Who's with you? Your? Who's with you? Who's with you? Together with you now. Who's with you now? Beside you.
Boy.
Who's with you? Your mom. Your mother? Is your mother there? Is your mother there with your at your side? Yes or no?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. So, I use the word who because I am asking about person. Okay? Person. If I will say, where are you, Huy? Where are you now? Where are you? Where are you now? Oh, house. House is a place. Okay? Why it's, oh, sorry. This. It's not, right. Wait, I'll erase this place. Okay, and you will use, listen to teacher. You will use what if you are asking about things, right? So now, oh, things. What do you have there? What do you have there? What thing is with you now? Do you have water bottle? Huh? Do you have?
Hen.
Okay, look at this one. What is this? Look at teacher.
Câu hỏi kia.
What is
Hai ra để
this?
bắt một cạnh bao.
Phone.
Oh, phone. So teacher is asking of a thing. Thing, I will use what. Okay? And I will say, what is this? What? I use what? What is this? Look at teacher. What is this?
It's pen.
It's a pen. Again, I use what? Because pen, cell phone are things. All right? If you ask about things, you will use what?
What thì là chỉ vật.
Okay. If you ask about place, like your living room, the one I asked you, your kitchen, that is where, because it's a place. And when I ask you, who is with you, I use who. It means I am asking about person. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, don't worry. Next time, before we start with our lesson, we will review on who, where, and what. Okay? I will do review here with who, where, and what next meeting. Okay? Because I want you to remember how to use who, where, and what. Understand, Huy? You understand, teacher? Okay, so that would be all for today. And thank you for listening. Sorry for the power interruption a while ago. I was lost. Okay, I was lost a while ago because there was a sudden power interruption. Suddenly, it is now. Okay, so that would be all for today. Goodbye. Bye-bye, Huy. Have a great night. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye.
Okay.